Issy is back again with another lip product. And this time, nag-release naman sila ng lip mousse. I have all 10 shades, so today is-swatch natin sila. And since na-try ko na to, i-share ko na din sa inyo yung full review ko or thoughts. Again, ito yung newest lip product ng Issy called Mousse Lip Tint, which is basically a blurring lip stain. 349 pesos yung price nito, and each tube merong 5 ml. And 10 yung shades na available. Packaging looks like this. Very minimalist, clean, futuristic, very easy. And this is the applicator. Texture and formula looks like this. As you can see, very moussey talaga siya. And for me, I think what makes this special is yung ingredients na meron siya. Ito kasing mousse lip tint ng Issy, meron siyang ceramides and rosehip seed oil. And ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen yung benefits ng mga ingredients na yon. Again, 10 yung shades na available dito, guys, and eto yung mga swatches. On my lips is Tickle, which is described as a kittenish pink, and I love it kasi sobrang soft girl nung vibe. This next one is called Slip. Tote Rosy Nude yung color description, and I personally love this kasi malapit yung kulay niya sa natural lip color ko. Look, diba? Malapit yung kulay niya sa inner color ng lips ko. This next color is called Teddy, which is described as a cool brown. Super nice, very 90s yung vibe. Another favorite of mine, Whip. This one is a baby peach color, and I think ito isa sa mga magiging best sellers nila. Ang lakas maka baby girl. Super pretty. And actually, ito din yung shade na gamit ko on my cheeks. On my lips naman is Mischief. Described as a bratty warm nose, and just look at the shade. Grabe, sobrang ganda din. Ang ganda ng pagka-rose niya kasi it's not too bright, hindi rin naman dark. Very MLBB lang. This one on my lips is Bitten. And for this, yung shade description is Bruised Mulberry. It's actually my first time trying this, and this one is a love at first try. Ang ganda ng effects sa lips, and perfect siya if you wanna do blotted lips. Perfectly named. Again, this one is Bitten. This one on my lips is Freaky. A wild pink berry. Ayun yung shade description. Great option if you wanna do like a pop of color sa face. Bright but not intimidating. Very wearable pa din in my opinion. Next up, we have Fixation, which is a 90s brown obsession. Definitely on the darker side, but hindi siya intimidating, and I feel like etong color na to, guys, can be worn any time of the day. Ganun siyang ka-versatile. Hindi nakakatakot yung pagka-brown niya at all. This one is Casual, which is described as a chill rosewood. Great choice if you want something warm and, you know, a bit reddish. Actually, ito may eyes, medyo may pagka-brick yung color niya. So if you want that very, you know, fall type of color, this one, great choice. And finally, Espresso, which is a roasted deep brown. And ito yung perfect choice if you want to do something bold, something deep, something dark. Basically, yung parang vampy. In terms of application, hindi naman ako nagka-problem with this one. This one right here, very easy to apply and hassle-free. And since blendable siya, even with fingers, you can blend it, especially if you want to achieve that blurred or blotted look. Formula of this one I absolutely like kasi very comfortable siya and light sa lips. Kasi nga diba mousse yung formula nito, so that's the reason kung bakit light siya. And again guys, meron siyang minimal transfer nga pala, which is expected ko na dito because this one is not a liquid lipstick, so hindi siya smudge or budge proof talaga. But as you can see, even though nabawasan siya, maganda pa rin because this one nag-iiwan din siya ng stain. So even if mabawasan man siya, since yung lip color nagkakaroon siya ng kulay ng lip product, close pa rin yung kulay, so it doesn't look patchy. And ayan guys, once you press your lips, as you can see, hindi siya gloopy, hindi nagdidikit, hindi nagbibitak because nga very velvety plush yung kanyang formula. Actually, lahat ng shades magaganda, so ang hirap mag-decide ng favorites. But eto sa screen yung mga top picks ko. Ayan kasi yung mga shades na alam ko magagamit ko ng madalas and feeling ko bagay sa akin. If you love the shade Kink sa Gelée Lip Tint, I think you will enjoy Whip sa Lip Mousse. And then if you love NSFW ng Gelée Lip Tint, Casual Lip Mousse, I think you will enjoy. Is it multi-use? The answer is yes. I actually used this one as a blush today, and as you can see naman, it blends really well and show up. And I feel like as long as gumamit kayo ng brush for this product to apply on your cheeks and tapping motion lang, hindi kayo magkaka-problem at all. And actually, even with a finger, as you can see, ayan o, it blends easily. Issy's Gelée Lip Tint, I personally love, palaging nasa bag ko to. And just in case you guys are wondering if meron bang difference ito sa bagong lip tint, the answer is yes. First difference, obviously, is yung packaging. Yung Gelée Lip Tint comes in a shiny silver packaging, while yung lip mousse comes in a matte silver. Second is of course yung formula and finish. Etong Issy Gelée Lip Tint, juicy and shiny yung finish niya, dewy. While etong lip mousse naman is a velvety matte finish, very blurring and very plush. And I think yung final difference nitong dalawa is yung intensity ng stain. For me, mas intense yung iniiwang stain nitong gelée lip tint. Nag-iwan din naman ng stain tong lip mousse but lighter lang. So yeah, basically, to make it short, if you want a glossy finish na mas nag-iiwan ng stain, go with gelée. And then if you want something naman na mas blurring, plush, velvety yung finish, go with this mousse tint. So yeah, for me, overall, I'm so happy with this new product, guys. I really enjoyed using this one. Number one, it is very easy to apply. Second, maganda yung color selection. You have pinks, browns, lights, and dark. Third, maganda yung formula niya. It's blurring, comfortable sa lips, lightweight, easy to apply, and maganda yung finish. Number four, yung pigmentation niya, I absolutely love kasi very buildable, so it's up to you na if you wanna do light, if you wanna do bold, pwedeng-pwede nyo siyang i-layer. And yung stain na iniiwan niya, very close sa actual color ng tint. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!